It's okay. We've got the skies right now are looking all right, but I'm looking back. I'm looking back that way. So as soon as we head that way, I'm gonna look at this storm fret. I'm gonna look at it. Hi guys, welcome back to a YouTube video of mine. So we are about to get a thunderstorm, alright? And you're gonna... Oh! Things just... Oh my gosh. Look at that.
I don't think we should come up this way. Come up here, but...
But you had to. Yeah. It shows a freaking thunderstorm. So there's a thunderstorm warning for parts of that. So it's just so. I don't know why I get these pains in my back. I don't get it.
$72 we made already.
Yeah.
In 2 hours.
He gave you a tip pay at $10.
Yep.
That's really good. Man, that sky's dark over there, dude. Look at that.
Yep, we're gonna whip off there and red now. That's what it says it's there.
Yeah, we're gonna be. I'm trying to get this thunderstorm here. November. Might even do a time lapse of this too. Of this thunderstorm. And get some time lapse. Look at that thing, dude. Look at that. Ain't that some nasty looking clouds there?
Yeah.
I'll watch that later. 3:30. 3 o'clock. Oh. There's a thunderhead in there. I can see it. There's a storm in town.
We're gonna have a good... This turned out to be a good day.
It is?
Yep.
For money. That's space X. I'm gonna watch that. So.